There's something about flying that really fascinates me. It's crazy how beautiful things are from the sky. Every place has a story to tell. The thing with stories is you don't know where it will take you, but you'll find yourself somewhere in the middle of nowhere, experiencing some of the most fulfilling adventures. I love flying. Any moment I fire up my drone, it feels like telling a dog to go fetch, and so does this bird. It glides so gently. It floats to capture these moments, never missing the dance of color or the texture of this land. It's beautiful from up here. It's calm, almost like a loud silence. Sometimes, silence is where the beauty of travel is. Hi guys, welcome to Going Goofy. For the past minute and a half, you've been watching drone shots from my different numerous travels over the years. They mostly involve coastal shots and some parts of Zanzibar. And there's just something about flying, firing up your drone and you being in the air. It gives you a very bigger, broader perspective. The initial idea of this channel was to travel to different places, get there, film, and at the end of it all, write a poem from the experiences. Now, over the years I've traveled, I've written poetry, but the thing that is disturbing me is I've not shared as much travel poetry as I'd wanted. And now that I'm still trying to structure this channel, I'm thinking of maybe I should merge the poetry side of it, the travel and the filming, to just have this one big channel that involves the creative life of Goofy. With all that said, let's see how the next couple of videos are going to be. Let me find some form and structure and see where everything is going to lead to. See you on the next.